What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
fast-cut herb tool from Xylus makes light work with chopping herbs. With 5 high-quality stainless steel cutting wheels, fast-cut herb tool is great for cutting rosemary, coriander, basil, parsley, tarragon, chives and more. Much quicker than chopping with a knife, this gadget glides through herbs with speed and ease. This compact handheld device features a blade rotation mechanism, allowing the blades to rotate 90 degrees to offer greater versatility when in use. You can either roll the herbs using your palm, or rotate the blades and use the grip function. The soft touch handle ensures comfortable and easy use. Ideal for using herbs as a garnish, or for adding herbs to sauces, or roasted vegetables. A blade cover allows the fast-cut herb tool to be safely stored. And for cleaning, simply remove the top and put in the dishwasher. For effortless herb chopping, use the fast-cut herb tool, another great invention.
When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
Introducing the Atomi Smart Coffee Maker. It's a smart coffee maker that can be controlled from your phone. Use your smartphone to start or pause your brew from anywhere. The scheduling feature allows you to set a pre-programmed routine so that your coffee is ready exactly how and when you want it every day. During the week, nice and early, and on the weekends, maybe a little later. You can even use your voice to control the Atomi Smart Coffee Maker using Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Alexa, brew coffee. The Atomi Smart Coffee Maker.